In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Asus Vivobook to monitor. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up an external display or another monitor and use it with your Asus Vivobook. You can set it up regardless of the Vivobook model and regardless of the monitor type. So if you have a gaming monitor, if you have a productivity monitor, or just any random one, you will be able to establish this connection. So to start, you need to establish the physical connection. To do this, usually what I would recommend for most people is to use an HDMI cable. So this option is recommended because it is a very standard connection type, and most Asus Vivobook models will feature an HDMI port, so it makes the process a whole lot easier. But you can use any other connection types. You have DP as well, which is DisplayPort, which might provide you with higher refresh rates and so on, but you won't have a native port, so you will have to use adapters. Keep that in mind. If you are satisfied with HDMI, plug one end of HDMI into the actual Asus Vivobook and then the other end into your monitor. Usually it is going to have multiple HDMI ports or multiple DP ports, and you can simply set it up however you prefer. So once you plug it into either of these HDMI ports here that you can see on this example, you will be able to power on the laptop and the monitor and set them up. If this isn't done automatically, then you will have to go over to the Windows settings. So as you can see, you can access the system settings and go over to display. So open the Windows settings, click on display, which should be the first option, and afterwards you can browse through all of the options available. So it is going to be added as a secondary display. Usually display 1 is going to refer to your actual Vivobook. So this is going to be the Vivobook, and then you have your external display here. And you can use them however you prefer. You can change the orientation. So if you have your monitor at the left, just drag number 2 over here to the left. You will be able to change the brightness, night light, use HDR if it is available, and you can essentially mirror the Asus Vivobook screen on your external display. Just make sure to connect it using the provided cable here or any other adapter that you have. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Asus Vivobook to monitor. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.